Just giving you all an update on the property. We just painted the house gray, and we installed the windows, so it's coming together nicely. Next we're gonna start on the septic tank. So this is the original tank. The county came out and told us that we have to crush it and bury it because they said the tank is too small, and so they told us to install these two septic tanks. One is 1,500 gallons and the other is 1,000. And so just keep in mind that besides your construction budget, you will want to have at least 10% contingency budget as well for these types of things that you probably didn't plan for. So yeah, just keep that in mind. All right, going to the property. So we pretty much gutted everything, the walls, the cabinets, everything. And we just removed a bearing wall, and we replaced it with LVL Beam, as you can see up here. That it separates the living room from the kitchen, so it'll allow more space and light into the house. Okay. So far, the electrical and the plumbing and the HVAC guys, their roughing in is finished. So now we just have to wait on the inspector so that we can start putting up the walls. About the drywall, I should say. That's bedroom number 1. This is the first bathroom. We had to remove and install new subflooring. We're probably gonna put tile halfway through the bathroom. So yeah, it's gonna come out pretty nice when it's all said and done. Bedroom number 2, pretty basic. Ain't nothing to see here, not really. You can see the HVAC ducts. These guys did a pretty good job. This is bedroom number 2 that has the bathroom. It's a massive bathroom. It's kind of small, but hey, what can I do? Let's see. Yeah, and the fireplace. So I had a fire inspector come out here. Sorry, a chimney inspector, and they said that we cannot use the fireplace again. So we're gonna do a electrical insert. So it should look pretty nice. Yeah, so that's it for right now. Nothing else to really speak about. Stay tuned for the next update.